Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I will detail how to turn on high protection in iPhone. So if you spend a lot of time using your iPhone and now you discover that this could be affecting your site, then you may want to turn on high protection to help protect your site from the emissions of light from your iPhone screen. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, there is no particular function that you can use to enable high protection on your iPhone, but there are workarounds. Then all you just need to do here is go to your iPhone settings, and then on the settings page, just scroll down, click on display and brightness. Under display and brightness, you want to click on dark mode. Then once you select the dark mode, this is going to reduce the screen brightness on your iPhone. And if you don't want to use dark mode throughout the day, you can just come here, turn on automatic, and then select options. Then you want to select sunrise to sunset. So your dark mode will turn on at sunset and it will turn off at sunrise. You can also set a custom schedule to set when you want the dark mode to turn on and then when you want the light mode to enable. So this is my light mode and this is the dark mode. So once you select any of this option, just hit the back button. Also, while on the display and brightness page, you want to locate night shift. Then go ahead and click on that. Then here you want to tap schedule and then choose when you want to enable high protection. Here you can see I have 8 p.m. through 8 a.m. You can also come down here and adjust the color temperature, make it more warmer so that this will reduce the brightness on your phone, or make it at the middle. Then that's yet another way to enable high protection. And lastly, here is going to protect your eyes whenever you're moving closer to your iPhone, and it's going to send a warning message that you are just too close to your iPhone. So go to your iPhone settings, and the settings, click on screen time. Under screen time, make sure screen time is turned on, and here scroll down. Once you turn on screen time, you should see limit usage. Under that, tap screen distance. Then enable screen distance. Once you enable screen distance, then you're gonna hear a warning from your iPhone that you're too close to your iPhone whenever this phone is too close to your eyes. So that is basically how to turn on high protection in iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.